Welcome back to Yoruba Kids Adventure. Today is quiz day. We are going to test how well you remember all of your Yoruba words from our learning so far. From greetings to color to kitchen object and so much more. Are you ready? Let's go!
Power!
Okay, friends, let's start with something easy. Greetings! How do you say good morning in Yoruba? Káàárọ. Perfect! What about good night? Ó dára. Amazing. Now for a quick one. Can you say Thursday in Yoruba? Ọjọ́bọ̀. You got it. Let's keep going, friends. Time for numbers. Count with me from 1 to 5 in Yoruba. Ẹyọ̀kan, méjì, mẹ́ta, mẹ́rin, márùn-ún. Yes! Now, can you say 9 in Yoruba? Mẹ́sàn-án. Correct. You're doing so well. You deserve a Yoruba clap. Can you try 1 to 5 backwards? Márùn, mẹ́rin, mẹ́ta, méjì, ẹyọ̀kan. Now, let's test your color knowledge. What color is the sky? Blue. Yes. How about red? Pupa. And yellow? Òféèfé. Perfect. Now, point to your nose. What's that in Yoruba? Imú. Right again. What about your eyes? Ojú. Fantastic. And your head? Orí. You're unstoppable. Let's give ourselves a Yoruba dance break. Okay, now for some objects. Imagine that you were in the living room. What do we call the chair? Àga. Yes! What about window?
Fèrèsé.
Now, let's move on to the kitchen. How do you say cup?
Ife.
And spoon? Ṣíbí. You're now totally a Yoruba kitchen pro. All right, adventurers. Speed round time. I'll show you some pictures. Just shout the Yoruba word before I did. Ọwọ́. Kọ́kọ́rọ́. Ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀. Òòrùn. Abọ́. Ìwé. Ẹsẹ̀. Tútù. Kẹ̀kẹ́. Woo! You did it! You are now an official Yoruba Adventure star. How many Yoruba words did you remember? Drop a comment below. If you want to practice more, watch our past adventures. They're all waiting for you. Thank you for playing today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for our next adventures. Bye for now.